taxation, and education. It doesn't matter what you read, reading itself is the important part. First and foremost, literature is a brilliant means of escapism. Through books, one can dive into another character's world, sometimes one akin to our own, and sometimes one that is completely made up. Reading a great book can absorb your full attention, allowing you to forget about the stresses of everyday life. With travel restrictions and closed borders, the past has only highlighted the importance of world literature as books can be a mechanism of travel. Through books, especially translated books, we can learn about other cultures and places that we may never get the chance to visit for ourselves. We can learn about how it's like to grow up in a different continent, under a different ruler or regime with different laws and societal norms.
But there are many who cannot taste the pleasure of reading, as illiteracy is still one of the major issues that our country faces even today. So, the United Nations introduced the world the Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs), also known as the Global Goals, in 2015 as a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that by 2030 all people enjoy peace and prosperity. SDG is about ensuring inclusive and equitable quality education and promoting lifelong learning opportunities for all. It aims to provide children and young people with quality and easily accessible education plus other learning opportunities. One of its targets is to achieve universal literacy and numeracy, a major component in acquiring knowledge and valuable skills in the learning environment. Hence, the urgent need to build more educational facilities and upgrade the present ones to provide safe, inclusive, and effective learning environments for all.
The 8th Sustainable Development Goal is about decent work and economic growth. This goal aims at ensuring that the economic sector of every country provides the necessary needs for its citizens to have a good life, irrespective of their background, race, or culture. Improved literacy can contribute to economic growth, reduce poverty and crime, promote democracy, and improve civic engagement.
बेटा, तुम्हारी उम्र तो पढ़ने लिखने की है, यह काम तुम क्यों कर रहे हो?
मेरा भी बहुत मन करता है कि मैं भी स्कूल जाऊं, पर मेरे मम्मी पापा बहुत गरीब हैं, स्कूल के फीस नहीं भर सकते हैं।
नहीं बेटा, शिक्षा पाने का तो सभी का अधिकार है। चलो, मैं तुम्हारी माँ से बात करती हूँ।
हाँ, चलिए आंटी जी। माँ, देखो कौन मिलने आए हैं। आंटी आई हैं। आइए आंटी जी, बैठिए।
नमस्कार जी, बैठिए।
आपका लड़का होनहार है, आप उसे स्कूल क्यों नहीं भेजते हो?
पढ़ाना तो मैं भी चाहती हूँ, पर हमारी आर्थिक स्थिति ठीक नहीं है।
सरकार ने सभी बच्चों के लिए साक्षरता अभियान चलाया हुआ है। शिक्षित लोग काम करने पर आर्थिक रूप से मजबूत होते हैं,
गरीबी को भी कम करने में सक्षम होंगे।
शिक्षा हमें जगाती है और शोषण से हमें बचाती है। शिक्षा हमें आत्मविश्वास के साथ साथ अच्छे बुरे की पहचान करने में भी मदद करती,
अपने आने वाले पीढ़ियों का मार्गदर्शन कर सकते हैं और शिक्षित लोग जीवन भर पछताते हैं।
अपने भविष्य को सही आकार दे सकते हैं। बच्चे ही देश का भविष्य है।
आज आपका बेटा चाय की दुकान में काम कर रहा है, पढ़ लिख कर वह डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, वकील और अपने नाम पर होटल भी खोल सकता है। इसलिए इसके महत्व को समझो और बच्चे को पढ़ने दो।
आपने तो मेरी आंखें ही खोल दी। आज से न केवल राम बल्कि मैं प्रौढ़ शिक्षा में अपना नाम लिखकर पढ़ाई करूंगी, क्योंकि अब मुझे अच्छे से समझ आ गया, यदि हम पढ़े लिखे तो न सिर्फ हमारा भविष्य अच्छा होगा, बल्कि हम अपने परिवार, समाज और देश का भी भला कर पाएंगे। धन्यवाद बहन जी।
अक्षरमे परमेन आयुधम, अक्षरमे जगतिलोनि सर्वस्वम, अक्षराలకు లేదు తరతమ భేదం, నేర్చుకోవాలి అక్షరాల నిత్యం, ఇది జీవిత సత్యం. అక్షరం ఎన్నటి తరగని సంపద, అక్షర జ్ఞానజ్యోతిని వెలిగిస్తుంది. అక్షరంని ఆయుధంగా చేసుకుని నవ సమాజాల తోడ్పడాలి మనుషులందరూ. మనిషికి ఉత్సాహాన్ని కలిగించను విద్య, వినయ విధేయాలను నేర్పను విద్య. మనిషికి ఉత్సాహాన్ని తెలిపను విద్య, మనిషికి పెంచేది సహజమైన విద్య.
ప్రగతి బాటలో నడిపించను విద్య, నీడలా మన వెంట నడిచేది విద్య. ఆత్మస్థైర్యాన్ని పెంచేది విద్య, ఆత్మ బంధువులా మన తోడుండేది విద్య. అక్షరం అనే ఆయుధం చేతిలో ఉంటే అజ్ఞానులను విజ్ఞానులను చేస్తుంది. అక్షరాస్యులకు విద్యాదానం చేస్తే ప్రకాశిస్తూ ఉంటుంది వారి జీవితము. అక్షర సంపదతో జీవితాలను మహోన్నతంగా తీర్చిదిద్దవచ్చు. భాష ఏదైనా అక్షరమే మూలం. జీవితానికి అర్థాలను తెలుపును విద్య, మానవ వికాసానికి తోడ్పడును విద్య. అక్షర బీజాలతో ప్రగతికి తోడ్పడవచ్చు విద్య, విజేతలుగా నిలవచ్చు.
Hi Nikshit.
Hello, Vansh.
I read something really very interesting yesterday. Thought I'll share it with you.
Well, I have something to share with you too, but you go on first.
विद्या बुद्धि ज्ञान धन दौलत तेरे पास विपुल बहुत तेरे थे, लेकिन परम पुरुष तो केवल मन की सुंदरता को हेरे. अजर अमर मन की सुंदरता, बाकी सब कुछ नश्वर है. मन सुंदर तो सब सुंदर है. Such a noble thought. True beauty lies within us, in our hearts, and this beauty is eternal.
Such beautiful lines were written by John Keats. He says that beauty is an endless joy that just keeps on increasing eternally. Hey guys!
Hello. Hi guys. Hey, what are you both doing?
Don't you know? They are like Siamese twins. Always keep discussing the same things.
Yes, we are discussing about literature and the pleasure it gives us. Don't you both get bored of literature? What? Literature is the foundation and reflection of life. It gives peace and pleasure to one's mind and soul. Hey, you make literature sounds transcendental now.
Okay, Mr. Smarty Pants, why don't you tell that? How does literature help you? Literature helps us in expanding our view of the world, making us more sophisticated in our thinking. It has provided a great way to teach the readers about life experiences, from saddest stories to most joyful ones.
So literature is very closely connected to humans.
Till where I have understood, I think it is literature that connects humans to different era, time and culture and provides us a direct approach to unique lifestyles that have been lived across the globe. Yes, very true. Literature deals with all domains of life, and it also allows us to learn about different unique cultures of other religions.
According to William Shakespeare, literature is comprehensive essence of the intellectual life of a nation. But I just read only for fun of it. Ultimately, we all seek fun in our lives, don't we? Yes.
Literacy and education are the best economic policy.
दीप जलाकर ज्ञान का दूर करो अज्ञान, जाकर निर्धन को यहाँ दे दो अक्षर ज्ञान. ज्ञान हमें बचाता है और कर्तव्यों की बोध कराता है. पढ़ाई और पुस्तकों को प्यार करो, अपने जीवन को उद्धार करो.
साक्षरता है जीवन में परम महत्वपूर्ण, बिन इसके तो बंधु होता है जीवन अपूर्ण. शिक्षा है एक अनमोल रतन, पढ़ने का सब मिलकर करो जतन.
Literacy is power. It frees us from the bondages of slavery.
Literacy is a road to human progress and the means through which every man, woman and child can realize his or her full potential.
When I'm reading, I feel so free.
Former UNESCO Director General Irina Bokova said in 2015, the future starts with the alphabet. Literacy is a powerful tool against poverty. If all students in low-income countries had basic reading skills, 171 million people could escape extreme poverty. Illiteracy comes at a high price. According to the World Literacy Foundation, illiteracy costs the global economy $1.5 trillion annually. Currently, there are 192 million people unemployed around the world. Even more people have jobs but struggle with poor pay or poor working conditions or both. In both cases, a lack of basic literacy means that many people are immediately disqualified from a high number of decent livelihoods. Our economy is enhanced when learners have high literacy levels. Effective literacy skills open the doors to more educational and employment opportunities so that people are able to pull themselves out of poverty and chronic underdevelopment. In our increasingly complex and rapidly changing technological world, it is essential that individuals continuously expand their knowledge and learn new skills in order to keep up with the pace of change. So let us all eradicate illiteracy and therefore help the world to be a happier place.